Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today we got one of the baddest watch faces that you're going to find in the Gear Manager store. Now, my man Brada, he's clowning. This guy is getting down. I got to get with him. I'm thinking maybe, just maybe, I should be making watch faces. Now, this guy continues to bring new flavor, fresh flavor to the table every single rip. But let's check out this watch face, right? Just don't listen to me. The name of it is called Brada Flat Track. I like the look, I like the design, I like the whole layout of this watch face, and the offerings are superb. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice theme. You're going to get a nice look out of this watch face in that mode. Once the watch face is on, if you look at the top, you are going to get your date, the day of the week. I like the look. I love the font of it. And also, if you look slightly to your left, you are going to get an AM PM stamp to let you know exactly what time of day it is. And you come down, you got 3 dials, right? The one to your left is going to give you a battery info. The one to your right is going to give you your seconds. And that nice one down at the bottom, you can't see it because the hour hand is in the way slightly, right? You're going to get your step information, floors climbed, and your heart rate. Now, you are going to be able to get your battery info as well. So I like this look. And also, let me not forget, because most of you are like that, there go your moon phase right at the top. Now, the watch face is in the active. So, of course, I could tap in these dials, and it's going to bring up the information I need. You're going to get, like, let's say 5 different ones, right? So if I tap in the middle, same thing. I can go across the board, and if I tap here, it's also going to bring me up an opportunity to set a favorite. I could tap up top, and I got one there, and I got one more, right? If I tap there, it brings it up there. So you can customize and make this watch just that much more convenient, which I thought was super, super awesome. Now, down here, if I tap on the top half, it's going to bring up my step status info. If I tap down at the bottom of it, I can get my heart rate information. Now, no, we're not done yet. So I'm going to double tap here, and I can customize the theme of this watch face. Now, we're not done, so don't go nowhere yet, because I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. And definitely, this one is worth the price, people. But let me cycle through just a couple of more, just to give you an idea. And right here, double tap. And you can change the theme a little bit more. So you can make this watch your own, however you see fit. This is one beautiful watch face. Brada never ceases to amaze. He always brings something different, something new, something fresh to the table. And I'm going to tap here, and I could change the hands. I could change the color. Not bad, right? You can do the same thing for the hour hand. And I thought my man, he really did an awesome job. Awesome job. Now I'm going to tap right here, and I could change the theme just a little bit more so far as the color is concerned with that stripe that's going right there. Again, my man slammed it out of the park. But again, it's up to you. What do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Listen, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, could you please hit the like button on the way out, because it does help the channel. And subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. And with that, I'm going to see you all at the next video. It's the weekend. Party like it's 1999. Enjoy family and friends, but most of all, be safe. And I'll see you again at the next one. Take care.